Yo ho from your favorite swashbuckler, Yellowbeard. You're invited to join me for arguably the best Easter party across the seven seas, celebrating our risen Lord and Savior, King Jesus. So naturally, I've prepared a song. Easter is around the bend, that's when all the fun begins. Sailing on the seven seas, kids' church is the place to be. Yo ho, Easter weekend, come and see. Yo ho, celebrate the risen King. Before you leave, I got a riddle for you. How do pirates prefer to communicate? Eye to eye. Get it? Aye, Captain.